Okay, I am freaking out. Okay, there's my temperature adjustment. I have put this thing down to that temperature 4 times this month. Nobody else lives here but me. And he keeps moving up above the temperature control over the middle. I don't know if you can see that. So now I'm taking a picture of it. Okay, that's where I've got it set. And it keeps moving itself up. How weird is that? Okay. This is like weird. Today is the 27th. That thing I just noticed is moved. Again, it is above. Sorry, I can't focus in on that. It's above the halfway mark again. Turning it down again. Down below. I don't know what's causing this. Okay, the mystery of the refrigerator knob moving, which it's been staying where it's at, but I figured out what the problem is. On my top shelf here, right here, I have this jar sitting over here, and it was just tall enough that when you shut the door, it hit right here, and it would move it a little bit each time, so I don't have poltergeists. That's good news. Tuco. Every time I open the fridge, Tuco's got to have his nose in there. Come on, baby. Thanks for watching.